Hello and welcome to this episode. We got it going. In this episode, you will hear the car start up and it sounds so good. This is the Audi A8 D2 that I picked up for £450. There was a fuel issue, so we pulled out the fuel pump assembly, changed the fuel pump, and then put the fuel pump assembly back in. Thank you as well to the subscribers. So amazing to see you clicking on the like button and also pressing that subscribe button. It really means a lot.
Oh God, oh no. Reminds me of those times I pissed myself as a kid. Ta-da, that's the new one. Bolts. Perfect. This old one was pretty damn knackered. We tried everything, put it in a vise, and it just would not take this off. So I went to the local mechanic and he came along with his, what's it called? His impact. And he just literally went, and it came loose. So that is ready to go on. Cool, that's fairly tight. Refrained from recording in the car when I've tried cranking it over because it's just never worked. So, just please. Oh, anticipation, there's no battery connected. Hang on, I'll come back. I don't know what to do if it doesn't start because it's been a long time. Right. You'll never guess what? I actually think I might have worked out what's wrong with all of this. If you remember, right at the beginning, regarding the fuel pump, this here was sat back here and it was really tight. I think that was put on the back. It should have been put on the front. This one that I've had the other way around should have been on the back. And it makes sense because fuel should go from one of these tubes to the fuel filter. Right, I've undone the one at the receiving end of the fuel filter. Watch this. And look. It's wet. What this means is that one should have been on the other side of the fuel pump assembly, should have been switched around. But I went to start the car again, I cranked it over and no fuel was coming out from the fuel pump out towards the fuel filter. Left the hose disconnected so I can see any fuel coming out. Just changed over, I'll show you in here. I tried fuel pump relay, but it didn't work. So I'm putting the old one back in because I actually know that the old one was working. So in theory, if I'm right and I've changed it to the right way round, the fuel should come out when I turn the ignition on because the pump will prime. Let's have a look. Yes. There it is. And now it's spurting out fuel. Oh my God, I might be onto it. Give me a second, I've got to reattach that up to, I'm going to try and see if I can show you. Up to there. Please. Just not doing it. I've just changed the fuse in here because this one was for the fuel pump and it looks okay, but I don't know, it's had a feeling. Listen to this. Yes, motherfuckers! Yes! It f***ing goes! That's awesome! That's it, we're going out to have a look. There she is. That's showing us 10, that's not so good. The rear ones actually don't look too bad. Oh yeah, they're fine, they're like 42. This one's literally low as anything. It's literally got nothing in it. Wow. It was on literally like 2. I don't know what that is. Making some buzzing noise. Oh, this car sounds beautiful. The only way I can turn that buzzing off is by putting an indicator on. This car is massive. Like, it looks so big. What? Right? Yeah. Big old boat, isn't it? Yeah, I know. It's makeshift for now. Yeah, brake on. Put it into neutral. There you go. Beautiful. Sounds awesome. Absolutely awesome. Very nice. Park it up next to the EOS that is there. I think park it right there. Lovely car though, really nice. I just wonder whether my reader will work now that the car's running. Possibly. Yeah, it's not connected to the vehicle. I don't know why. I have to have a think about it. But the ABS lights on, I'm going to take a picture of all of these so I can check when I get home what they could be. It could be something very simple, it could be something a bit more confusing. But at the end of the day, it's running. That's what it's all about. And it sounds brilliant. Nice.
So guys, thank you for watching the video. That is the A8 finally up and running. The next video may not be about the A8 depending on the time frame and the time it takes to get the A8 sorted, ready for its MOT to then be sold. So I have something to tell you. The next video may be about a car that I might have bought. I know I've already got the Mercedes that I need to do from January. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about it. It will be done at some point. This new car, it is cool. I really, really like this new car. And the plan is I'm going to run it for a little bit and sell it. At least that's what I'm telling myself at the moment. I might end up keeping it because I'm starting to fall for it. It's a nice car. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do hit the thumbs up. Please do comment below and congratulate King Mechanic because I have no idea what I'm doing and I've actually got a car to run, which I'm quite proud of. Please do, like I say, hit that like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be brilliant. Thank you very much. And take a guess below. Take a guess below which car you think I might have bought. It's around 10 years older than the A8 and it's an estate. So have a guess if you haven't already seen it on my Instagram or Facebook page. Thank you guys. Have a great day. See ya.